Hi. Form 4 Chemistry Chapter 6 Book 1 Video number 3. New title again, still basic. Okay, nice to see you. Cannot see you at all. So like bases and alkalis. 什么叫 bases and alkalis? If you check dictionary 英汉字典 bases or base, they will tell you they are 碱性的东西。Okay, or if you check alkaline, they still tell you 啦，碱性的东西。So base and alkaline, any different? 有什么差别呢？ They are different actually. 它真的有差别。So today we're going to make it clear. 我们给它清清楚楚，好吗 ？Okay. So what's mean by base? 什么叫 base? A base is defined as a chemical substance that can neutralize an acid to produce salts and water. So what's mean by base? A chemical substance that can neutralize an acid to produce salts and water. So for whatever chemical substance that can neutralize the acid to produce a salts and water, 它可以把 acid neutral 掉，产生盐加水的化学物品，就叫 base. Okay, very clear. One sentence only, 一句话罢了，这就叫 base. So bases, they are the chemical substance that neutralize the acid to produce salts and water. 它给 acid 变成 neutral， 产生盐加水，就叫 base. Okay? Or any example of base, 有什么例子呢？ Example of bases, they are metal oxide or metal hydroxide. So 什么叫 base? Okay? Or how you know the chemical substance they are base? 你怎样知道它是 base 呢？ Simple. For all the chemical substance come with the name metal oxide, potassium oxide, sodium oxide, calcium oxide, magnesium oxide, aluminium oxide. 那些金属的 oxide. And also the metal hydroxide. Beside the oxide, if you see the name, they come with the name called metal hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide. If you see the name like this, they must be base. 它们肯定是 base 来的。Okay? So bases, they are the metal oxide or metal hydroxide that contains the oxide and hydroxide ions. 它里面有 oxide 的离子跟 hydroxide 的离子 respectively 啦。Okay? So what are the examples of base? For all the chemical substance with the name metal oxide, metal hydroxide, they are all bases. 它们全部都是 base 来的。Okay? Most of the base, they are not soluble in water. So bases, normally they are not soluble in water. 它们不能溶解在水里面。Bases that are soluble in water are called alkaline. 能溶解在水的 base we call alkaline. So can you see the difference between base and alkaline? 它的差别在哪里呢？ Base, they are the chemical substance that neutralize the acid to produce salts and water. 不可以再改啊，不要自己发明哦。Okay? But most of the base, they are not soluble in water. Bases, they are soluble in water, are called alkaline. 能溶解在水中的 base 就叫 alkaline. Okay? So what is mean by alkaline? 什么叫 alkaline? Alkaline having the meaning of alkaline. Alkaline 有 alkaline 自己的意思，你不要乱来哦。有人写 alkaline, they are the bases, they are soluble in water. Sorry, this is not the meaning of alkaline. So what is mean by alkaline? 什么叫 alkaline 呢 ？OK， 来了。See the diagram? So what's mean by base? I repeat again. 什么叫 base? Okay, bases, they are chemical substance that neutralize acid to produce salts and water 啦。Okay, by any example, metal oxide, metal hydroxide, 这个叫 base. So all metal oxide, metal hydroxides, okay, they can neutralize the acid to produce salts and water. They are all bases. Okay, but some of the bases, they are soluble in water. 有一些 base 呢 they are soluble in water. 它能溶解在水里面。So bases, they are soluble in water. We call alkaline. 能溶解在水中的 base 就叫 alkaline. Okay, so what is mean by alkaline? Only the bases, they are soluble in water 啦。能溶解在水中的 base 就叫 alkaline. Okay, but remember, when they ask what's mean by alkaline, you don't tell the answer as they are the bases that are soluble in alkaline in water, you know. 不可以这样写啊。Alkaline having the meaning of alkaline. So what is alkaline? 什么叫 alkaline 呢 ？Okay, next 继续。So what is alkaline? 什么叫 alkaline? You copy here, 哈？你抄在你的 notes or where? I show you where. Yeah. Okay, like what is mean by alkaline? 什么叫 alkaline? You copy the red color, 你抄这个红色的。 or maybe it's too red 啦，太红你看不到。Okay, now copy first. 什么叫 alkaline? An alkaline is defined as a chemical compound that dissolves in water. Okay, besides dissolve in water, you can using the word dissociate 解散 or ionize 也可以。Okay, dissolve in water 不够高级嘛 ，dissociate in water, ionize in water, it feel better 了，感觉比较好。So alkaline they are chemical compound that dissolve in water, dissociate in water, ionize in water to produce hydroxide ion. 那就是化学物品在水中解散，产生一种离子 ，and the ion is called hydroxide. 它的离子叫 hydroxide. So this is the meaning of alkaline, and we don't accept any other meaning. 我们不接受任何其他的意思了。Alkaline 就是这个意思。So copy set 对不对 ？Okay. So what is meant by alkaline? They are chemical compound that dissolve in water to produce hydroxide ion. 化学物品在水中解散，产生 hydroxide 的离子，就叫 alkaline. So alkaline having the alkaline properties, alkaline is corrosive, alkaline actually whatever, just because of this ion, 就是因为这个离子的关系。And this ion make it become alkaline properties, 就是它造成 alkaline 有 alkaline 的特征。Any example 有什么例子呢？Sodium hydroxide, when you add it into the water, it's going to dissociate in water. 它在水中解散 to produce sodium ion plus hydroxide ions. Okay, so alkaline 就是一种化学物品，一种白白的粉 sodium hydroxide， 丢进水里面，在水中解散，溶解在水里面 to produce hydroxide ion. Okay, potassium hydroxide, when you add into the water, it will dissolve into the water, dissociate into the water. 它在水中解散 produce hydroxides. Okay, another 2 example you can try. 另外的2个 example 你自己 try, but I don't think you know. 我不认为你暂时会啦。Start 2个 try 自己做。OK， 好了没有 ？Ammonia actually is a gas， 一种臭尸体的味道。Okay, the gas. So ammonia dissociate into the water. Ammonia 在水中解散 and finally going to produce what? 它会产生什么东西呢 ？Ammonium. Okay, so it's going to produce the ammonium ion plus hydroxide. So this is a special case 啊，不一样一点点啊。So ammonia dissociate in water. 它在水中解散 going to produce the ion called ammonium ion plus hydroxide, but still produce hydroxide. So ammonia solution actually is alkaline. 它是一种 alkaline. Okay, and at the symbol, the 2 arrow, the arrow with the go and back symbol. So this is what we call partially dissociate. Ammonia 的 gas 在水中不会100% 解散，一点解散，一点不要解散呢 to produce hydroxide ion. So ammonia solution it is alkaline. 它是碱性的。How about calcium hydroxide? When calcium hydroxide dissociate in water, 你丢进水里面 it's going to produce calcium ion. 它就会产生 calcium 的离子 2 plus what? Plus 2 hydroxide ion 加2粒的 hydroxide 的离子。Okay, so this is what we call alkaline. So until now, what's mean by alkaline? 到目前为止，什么是 alkaline? They are chemical compound that dissociate in water. 它们在水中解散 to produce hydroxide ion. 然后它们产生 hydroxide 的离子。Okay, so this is the meaning of alkaline. Any meaning? Oh, any question? No lah, huh? Okay, see you in the next video. Bye bye. 谢谢。